Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anjani Fidaroini. I'm here to present article review RRA, PRA, and SLF. The first article is the rapid rural appraisal approach in identifying the potential and problems of the social culture aspect of the Teluk Bayur village community. Villages are no longer considered merely as executors who only implement and carry out policies based on regulation established by the government at top level. The strategy is number one, SO strategy, number two is WO strategy, number three is ST strategy, and the last is WT strategy. Participatory rural appraisal in the Madiredo Lake agrotourism development strategy. The identification is Darwis, which is a management element, cannot reflect the role of tourism awareness group. Solution to problem, the marketing plan include creating two package, creating digital marketing content, and collaborating with travel again. The monitoring, the development of Telaga Madiredo agrotourism involves village officials, Darwis, art communities, village communities, and MSME actors. Implementation of the Sustainable Livelihood Framework on Innermost Small Island Kastudi Maratua Island. The problem is less problems and the insecurity in the availability of clean water source is due. Livelihood asset, human and social research, their living as fishermen, small traders, and other. Natural and financial research is the such as snapper, grouper, lingcam fish, and rabbit fish. And the last is physical research are considered good in terms of infrastructure conditions. The next is case study Sustainable Livelihood Framework in Kebonsari Madiun Regency. Kebonsari area has a big agricultural land area. This makes some people in Kebonsari earn a living as farmers, although some areas have been developed into agrotourism. The current goal of the Kebonsari area is to become an independent village, which is a development concept that prioritizes independence in various aspects of life. Kebonsari Community Development Strategy. Number one, village-owned enterprise is business entity managed by people of Kebonsari Madiun Village. And number two, batik, empowering PKK women in making batik. Number three, Sunday market. These snacks from our community are held every Sunday morning at 5 to 8 a.m. And number four, Baskibra, cultural celebration. The next is problem and solution with RRA. Number one, land disputes. Land disputes are caused by misunderstandings or strangers over inheritance. Number two, less effective workforce. This problem leads to the revolt by another party, namely existing workers, because the workers tend to be their own neighbors even though the performance is not good. And the last is long supply chains. The result of this problem is the low price in harvest. Sustainable livelihood framework pattern in Kebonsari Regency. Number one is natural capitals. The Kebonsari community is dominated by farmers, so natural resources such as land and irrigation are very much needed. Number two, human capitals. The human capitals resource of farmers in Kebonsari are the dominated by people in age 14 years with the highest education at high schools. And number three, social capitals in the social life of the Kebonsari farming community. It is dominated by work who prioritize their neighbors, thereby create a close social feeling between residents. Number four, physical capital. The physical capital conditions of the Kebonsari areas is quite good in terms of infrastructure. And the last is financial capital. The source of agricultural financial in Kebonsari is from the harvest of the land they work on. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.